The efficiency of your business is only as good as the network on which it operates. Have your business operations struggled because your network lacks speed, capacity, coverage, or security? Traditionally, the cost to improve coverage and the complexity it adds to your already saturated network has made upgrading difficult. High latency leads to long delays and bottlenecks in communication and decision making. Limited coverage and range in large dead zones. Most concerning is the lack of control over network security, which leaves you vulnerable. And if you want to scale your business for serious connectivity, your team, your devices, your infrastructure, it all requires powerful network connectivity. Think of all the digital functions needed for ongoing operations as well as today's safety and security. And don't think just today. Think 3 to 5 years down the road. What type of connectivity will you require? Autonomous AI-powered video surveillance cameras, integrated communications with tablets, mobile devices, and barcode scanners, voice, video, and data transmissions, access control, machine monitoring. Traditional networks cannot keep up with these growing demands, especially as you plan for future capabilities requiring larger types of connectivity. There's a better way forward to secure high-speed connectivity and reliability, and it's Private LTE from BearCom. You've probably heard of public LTE from a big carrier like AT&T or Verizon, but Private LTE is a local network that is operated exclusively for the use of an organization or other business entity. It offers carrier-class speed, range, and connectivity without relying on a public carrier. And it doesn't involve complex installation or large capital investment. Simplify your network to integrate team members, devices, and infrastructure into one seamless workflow. Incorporate thousands of IoT devices with uninterrupted connectivity, and have the confidence that your network is available indoors and outdoors, right where you need it. Your IT team can customize everything from network coverage and which devices connect to security protocols and automated processes. Get as granular as you want while also localizing your data on your own secure network. Private LTE gives you the opportunity to future-proof your business. It reduces the cost of infrastructure while providing robust bandwidth to support your heavy data consumption. Let's take a look at a real-world manufacturing application of Private LTE. A manufacturing plant sets a goal for mass productivity gains, but unplanned downtime and faulty connectivity is costing it as much as $260,000 per hour. Private LTE allows ops teams to monitor the performance of machines and robotics in real time, avoiding costly delays in production. Video cameras with analytics can detect and report unusual activity that puts workers at risk, like a forklift driving in the wrong direction or machinery malfunctions. Best of all, Private LTE makes scaling growth easy. Extend your coverage over an entire site without the extra work of trenching fiber or running expensive networking cable. But Private LTE isn't limited to this industry. Businesses of all sizes can benefit from Private LTE. Manufacturing, hotels, hospitals, schools, transportation, and more. BearCom makes the mission-critical difference in improving your wireless connectivity, protecting the future of your business, and driving ROI. If you're ready to gain independence, optimize data connectivity, and boost your operational efficiency, contact us today.